In this video, I will show you how to check in United Airlines. So in order to do that, head over to united.com and then you should be able to see their particular website right here. Now, once you have done that, next thing you need to do is to head over and click onto this check-in option. You should be able to see right here. Now, once that's done, just input right here your confirmation or ticket number as well as your last name, and it will search its database for the flight that you have booked. Now, once you have inputted right here your confirmation number and your last name, you should be able to follow the on-screen instructions in order to successfully check in for the actual flight that you have incoming. Do take note that check-in is available starting 24 hours before your scheduled departure, and they have different cut-off times. Like for example, the domestic flights have 45 minutes before flight, while the international flights have around 2 hours before it closes.